I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. Yeah, oh, I need you beside me. You beside me. Yeah.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to share with you guys my month and a half review of my LONGQI Brazilian curly hair that I have been rocking. And the lengths I have in, you guys, are 16, 18, 20, and a 16-inch closure. So let me get into the specs, telling you how I feel about this hair. After a month and a half, it's almost 2 months now, you guys. Almost 2 months, and this hair is still soft and fluffy. Oh, it feels so good still, and I'm not getting any knots. My fingers run through the hair, still nice and soft, no tangling, which I like for curly hair. And the curls, you guys, look at the hair. Here it is from the back. It's still bouncy and nice and flow. It's not trashy. It's not lumping together. It's still absolutely beautiful. And the curls are nice. See how the curls are still popping? I love this hair. And it's 3 bundles, you guys. 3 bundles. And you see how the hair is still nice and full with the 3 bundles. Remember now, I do have it on a wig, a mesh wig cap, so I don't sleep on it. Like I tell you guys all the time, I make my units on with a wig. I make my units into a wig, so I don't sleep on them. I take them off at night. But the hair is still nice and bouncy, and the curls, I'm just absolutely loving this hair. And I'm not getting no tangling in the nape area. I can run my fingers right through. It comes together just a bit, you know, for rubbing on your clothes, but my fingers run right through it, which is good. I absolutely love that. Oh, it's still bouncy and nice. It flows, lots of movement. It's holding out very good. And as you can see here, you get a deep part with the closure, which is good. The closure goes way back, so you get a nice deep part with it, so it looks very realistic and nice. I'm absolutely loving these curls. I love them. And it is a Brazilian curly, and it is like a kinky curl, you guys, but a nice kinky curl. You know, it's absolutely nice. Alright, you guys, I'm going to leave a link below to LONGQI here, so you guys can go over and check them out. And they are having a lot of sales right now, some spring sales and stuff like that. And I believe there's a coupon code down there for you guys. I will put everything down below because I'd love for you guys to go check it out. Spring is coming. This is some nice hair to rock for spring. Curls are always very nice to rock in the summer. Less work, and they're absolutely nice. You just get up, put on your wig, and go. I absolutely love it. And the hair is not dry. It's nice. It's very nice and full with the 3 bundles. Like I said before, I am absolutely loving this hair. And the length is nice. 16, 18, 20, and a 16-inch closure. It's absolutely lovely, you guys. So check out the link below. Go over and check them out and get something nice for yourself for this spring. I know you'll enjoy it. And their deals are very reasonable. They're very good with their prices. You know, I'm a diva on a budget. Yes. So I look the best and the cheapest to come share with you guys. Alright everyone. Thank you so much for coming on and seeing my hair review today for LONGQI hair. Alright everyone. Bye bye.